boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Cazzu, first time here on this channel, about time, huge following there. Otro Como Tú, I think that translates into another like you or so. And doesn't matter because I don't understand the rest of the lyrics. I like the song and the vibe and the rhythm, so that is what you're gonna learn today. So let's go into it. We had the capo set high up here on the 8th fret to match up with the easiest chords and also have the right sound. So capo on 8 is a good scenario. Place that on there and let's go through the chords. 5 is the number here, 5 chords. Let's start with the A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's A minor. Next G, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. F, it's a bar chord. So place the index finger on the first fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then we have the E, open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E, and finally we have the D minor. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern here. If you grab the first chord A minor, we have a very common strumming pattern for these kind of songs with this rhythms going on. It goes like this. Okay, that is my interpretation of it. So you're gonna play one down, a short pause, and then up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. Okay, so for all these chords I'm gonna mention now, you're gonna play 2 string rounds per chord. And we have 2 different playings. The first one we're gonna look into is the verse and the pre-chorus play. It's played in the same way. So the first half goes A minor, G, F, and E. And the second half is D minor, A minor, F, and E. So let's do that together. I'm gonna play while I'm speaking and mentioning the chords. 2 string rounds per chord. Let's start with A minor. Minor, A minor, F, and E, and again. Alright, that is how I play the verse and the pre-chorus. Now, into the chorus and the outro play. How do we play it? You already know that, guys. So, it's played exactly the same as the first half of the verse and pre-chorus. That means A minor, G, F, and E. You're just gonna roll that for the chorus and outro. Again, A minor. Alright guys, there you have it. Cazzu here on Gruvgear Guitar. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.